Production. Okay, food protection. That is the name of the chapter which we are discussing now. Okay, so what all we discussed in the last class, I will ask. Okay, I want to get, I don't want mass answer. So which all students' names that I am calling, that student will need to say it. Okay, Shiva Gayatri. What all topics we have discussed in the last class?
Study about farms, farmers, and farming.
Very good. Farmers, and
Farmers and
farming.
farming.
So if I ask question, will you be able to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very good. Angelina, Rose, Vinayak, Hridan. Hridan is present today. Aditi, Jovel, Vaigari. Yeah, switch on your videos. So Rena, tell me, what is a farm? All others listen. Rena, I can't hear you, Rena. Say it. Safe? No. Avantika. Rena, check your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Avantika. What is a farm?
A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals.
Very good. Excellent answering. Okay. Keep
Thank
it
you,
up.
ma'am.
Next one. Farming. Who can say about farming? Who farming? Efrain?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me what is farming?
Farming.
Unmute. Unmute, dear.
Farming is
Farming.
farming is
Ah,
is
ah,
the
ah,
is used to grow plants
ah.
and animals.
Okay. I think you did not learn properly. Who can say this answer correctly? Raise your hand. Vinayak. Yes, Vinayak. What is farming?
Farms grow useful plants and raise animals.
Is it okay? Somewhat correct, but not in a proper sentence. Angelina, Martin.
Growing useful plants and
Raise. I can't hear you.
growing useful. Can I tell?
1 minute, Angelina.
Growing useful plants and
Racing, not rising. Racing animals on
livestock on a
farm. Okay, Efrain, growing useful plants and raising animals on the farms. Okay, where we want to do these all activities? In the farm. So when we grow useful plants, when we raise animals in our farm, we can call it as farming. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now, who is a farmer? Krishna,
Yes,
who
ma'am.
is a farmer?
The people who grow crops and useful plants and rear animals on their farms are called farmers.
Okay, farmers. Okay. See, I think farming is one more definition is there, like livestock something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please,
Yeah, in farming
okay.
we should put livestock.
So Vaiga.
Growing useful plants and raising livestock in a farm is called farming.
Okay, instead of raising livestock, we can also use raising animals. Okay, so that much we learned in the last class. See, you have to learn it properly. Okay, some are not saying that answer correctly. You have to say it. Now we want to learn how does a farmer can grow the crops. Okay, how does a farmer can grow crops in his farm? That is what we want to see it today. I hope this you can see the board, right, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, a blackboard.
Yeah, it is blackboard, but the letters are
Excuse me, ma'am.
The letters are white, right? Okay, so
Yes.
you can see it. Okay, so next point that we are going to learn today
Excuse
is
me, ma'am.
how does a farmer grow plants on farm? What all steps are needed to take by the farmers to grow crops on his farm? So first of all, what it is? First of all, if he want to grow crops, what he want to check, what he want to think about it.
Check the soil.
Okay, check the soil. Okay, first he should check the soil.
Or
Okay,
bacteria.
Check the soil.
okay. Then
We should care. Then we should put the seed.
okay. So before putting the seed, he
We
should
will
check
make a
We should
hole.
rear the
We will make a hole.
We should rear the soil.
one by one, one by one. He should make holes.
to
Okay.
Make a hole.
Okay, hole. Okay,
And we
Ananda.
should rear the soil.
Vega,
Now we should rear the soil.
we should rear.
We can't rear.
Rearing means
Ma'am.
raising, growing, no?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. So you told, somebody told, Aromal, what you are doing there? So somebody told we should plant the seeds there. Huh? Before planting the seed, some more things are there.
Ma'am, can
Right? Yes, Sri Shankar.
No, ma'am.
Oh, not Angelina. Yes.
First, the farmer would have to decide which crops to grow.
Yeah, that is the very important thing. Huh? First of all, the farmer should decide which crop he should grow in his farm. Whether it is a plantain, whether it is a paddy, whether it is a wheat, it is coconut, mango tree, jackfruit tree, or sunflower plants, whatever it is, or vegetables, whatever the crop he want to grow it in his farm, he should decide it. So Aromal, what is the first thing a farmer should do it? First thing the farmer should do. You are not attending the class. You are doing some, you are in some other business. That is why I asked question. Avantika, what the farmer should do first? If
Yes,
he want,
ma'am.
yeah.
We should first we should do which
Yeah,
seeds
we
we
should
have
decide. Okay, first we have to
decided.
decide which crop to grow. That is very important. Okay, which crop to grow. That is very, very important. So the first
Second
step
step, can
a
I?
farmer should take if he want to grow plants on his farm. That is, the farmer has to decide which crops to grow. See, he can decide the crop according to the climatic condition of that place. Okay, so according to the climatic condition, weather condition, he can choose. If it is throughout the year, if that place gets rain, so that place is not suitable for growing wheat like crops. Okay, and if a place is throughout the year, if it receives sunlight or if it is hot throughout the year, we can't grow rice plants on that place. So
Winter.
so each plant requires a particular climatic condition. So according to the climatic condition of the place, that farmer should choose which crop he should grow it there. Okay, so climatic condition is very important. And another thing, somebody told we should check the soil. That is also very, very important. We have to see which type of soil it is, which all crops can grow it on that soil. So
Red
accordingly, yeah. So
Red soil,
according to the nature of the soil, according to the climatic condition, according to the availability of substances. So many things he need to grow the crops, right? So according to that, he have to decide which crop he should grow it in his farm. Is it clear, children? Is
Yes.
it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes.
first step over. He decided which one to grow. So next one, after he decided that which crop to grow, what he want to do?
He should buy
What he should buy,
He should buy
Angelina?
the seed from the market.
seeds from the market.
Okay, so
Seeds.
next step, he should think about the seed, right? He should think about
Yes.
the seed. So to the crop which he want to grow, the seeds of that crop he should check it, right? So either he can get it from other people, or if he stored the last year's some seeds with him, he can use that one, right? So
Yes.
when your parents make some vegetable garden, so your parents may be storing some
Ma'am,
seeds,
my-
right? Last year's seeds.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, my
Yes.
parents.
The crop, the vegetable which you got it in the last year, from that they may be taking the seeds and drying it and keeping it for using in the next year. In the same way, the farmers, after the harvesting, after they get their crops, after they get their rice or wheat or whatever it is, they will take some part of that seeds for growing to for the next year. Either the farmers can use that stored seeds, or he can buy it from other people. Nowadays government is ready to give good quality seeds for the farmers. You
Yes,
also
ma'am,
may
for
be getting
lockdown
some
they're
vegetable
borrowing.
seeds, right?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
The
Yes.
same way. Yeah, so
And
that is
from
to
government it will
uh,
be coming.
that is to make the people to to grow the vegetables at their own house, right? So government is supplying some vegetable seeds, but for the farmers, some agricultural department is there. So that department may be distributing good quality seeds for the
Excuse me,
farmers.
ma'am.
Okay. So there they may get the seeds. So likewise, all they can get the seeds. So their land is ready. They have decided which crop to grow. Now they have collected the seeds. Next what is the next stage? What
They
they
should
want?
plant.
They
He
should
should plant.
they should
So
We want
water.
the
What
air,
to the
No, no,
soil?
no,
water,
no.
sun.
Close your books. Close your books. What your parents are doing actually,
we
or
should use
when
a
they
tractor and
okay. When they do this vegetable garden or
plow.
any
Ma'am,
other
We should
agriculture
plow
garden,
the
technology.
soil.
first
should
they
plow
may
the
take
soil.
the seeds
Agriculture
and they will throw
technology.
it on the land.
Ma'am,
No,
we
ma'am.
should plow it. We
No.
should plow the soil.
What they want to do first?
We should plow, ma'am.
Ma'am, they should sow.
Some,
Okay,
should
that
plow
is
the
what
soil,
I am
ma'am.
saying. Before
Ma'am, we
sowing.
should plow the soil
Okay.
Sowing,
So
ma'am,
why
sowing.
we should plow the soil?
to become loose and airy.
Okay, why we should make it loose?
To the seeds of
To get air and
germinate
sunlight.
Okay,
germinate
good.
easily.
So first,
Sowing.
if we get the seed, what we want to do, we have to clean up that place, right? We have to make it, we have to remove. We should remove the whole, we should remove that unwanted plants if any are there, we have to take it. So that is called cleaning. Sorry.
and we should
We
add
should.
some fertilizer.
Yeah, some fertilizers also we need to add in it. Okay.
And
So
then sow.
first we want to prepare the land. For next step is preparing the land. So for preparing the land, we want to clean up. That it is, we can call some people and we can clean the unwanted plants what all growing there. And one more thing, see, if the land is not used up for so many months, that land may become like a playground, isn't it? So playground means
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will be very hard. It will be very hard. So in that hard land, if we are putting that seeds, it will not germinate. So what we want to do? we have to make the soil of
Soil.
that land to become loose.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
how we can make that soil to loose?
Ma'am, water. We want to pour water.
Water.
Okay, we can pour water on it. Not only by pouring water on it,
We can-
we can use. See, we can you have you seen
Yeah.
this picture?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is a device. This is a device called plow. Okay.
Ma'am, I will do with my
doing
hand.
this, ma'am.
Yeah.
They'll
Sorry. This let me write it. PLOUGH. This is called plow. So using this device, we can cut the soil. We can crush the muddy pieces in the soil. We can turn over that soil. So if we do these all with this device, the soil becomes loose. Okay, so in order to make the hard land into the soil of that land to become loose, we will use this device. What is the name of this device?
Plow.
Okay, plow. So we can't use this device to alone. What we will do? We will tie this device here. You can see it, right? We will tie this device on a animals. Animals like oxen
Buffalo,
or
oxen.
buffaloes. You have seen in some pictures and some cinemas and all, right? So
Stories, ma'am.
yeah. So either we can connect
Tourists
this
are going
flow to some animals, or we can use as the technology it is improved. Instead of animals, we can use tractors.
Excuse me,
Right?
ma'am.
Tractors, ma'am.
Tractors. Yeah. So when these animals move forward, this device flow also will move forward and it will turn over that hard land. It will cut the soil. So if the soil become loose, our intention is to make the soil loose. Okay. So that process using animals or using tractors, if we make the soil to loose, that process is called plowing. That
me, ma'am.
process is called plowing.
Plowing.
So what is plowing? Preparing the land.
Preparing
to
the
sow
hard
seeds. Children, please mute it. Let me explain. After that, I will call you. Okay. Preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow. That is called plowing. So what do you mean by sow seeds? Planting seeds. Okay. Sow seeds means planting seeds. I mean, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the name of the device used to make the soil loose? Plow. Say it. Unmute. Unmute. Is correct. Plow. What it is?
Plow.
Plow. Can you tell me the spelling?
Plough.
Very good. Once again say it.
Plow.
Okay. So Sri Shankar.
Ma'am,
Yes. Where? How we are using this plow?
ma'am, preparing the land, seeds.
How we are using this plow?
By animals.
By animals. Very good. By animals or plow can be
Oxen
used
and
by
buffaloes,
animals,
ma'am.
right? Okay. So
Oxen and buffaloes.
if the farmers are not getting enough money to buy the this one animals, some people also are taking this plow and they can also do the plowing. Okay.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
the farmers are not getting enough money to take these animals, instead of the animals, two people will be connected to that plow, and when the people move forward, this plow also can make that take over the soil. So
Ma'am,
nowadays as the which what we can use for plowing nowadays?
Tractors.
Tractors.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. So Pooja,
Nowadays,
what do you mean by plowing? Pooja, what do you mean by plowing?
A plow is used
Fast?
to prepare the soil.
Not in a. I can't hear
She's
you.
telling ma'am. Can I tell?
The
Okay,
plow
Anandan.
is used
Yes,
to
Anandan.
prepare
Yes,
the
what
soil.
do you?
A plow is used to grow seeds.
Okay.
Make the soil loose.
excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Make the soil loose. Can I tell
Due to
them?
plowing. Okay, due to
Plow is
plowing.
used to prepare the soil.
Okay. See, if I ask a question, what do you mean by plowing?
Ma'am, can I?
Anandan
can I
Raj,
be
what you can
yes.
answer? How you
Yeah,
can
we
answer?
should- The hard soil
Preparing
will
land.
make loose.
Okay, that is okay. Preparing. Vaiga.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you answer the question? What do you mean by plowing?
Preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow is called plowing.
Okay, see, preparing a land to sow seeds using a plow is called plowing. This definition is not there in the textbook. Okay, so if you have any doubt what is plowing, say preparing the land. Why
Okay,
we
ma'am.
are preparing the land? To sow seeds.
To sow
How we
seeds.
can prepare the land? Using
By
a plow.
plow
Plow.
or
That
tractor.
is called plowing. The person who used animals, who is
Farmers,
using animal in
farmers.
that picture, he is also plowing the land. See, after plowing,
Ma'am,
you can see the soil is turning over
Nowadays-
that soil, right? So here also you can see backside of the tractor. Just in front of the tractor you can see the hard land, right? But
Excuse-
just backside of the tractor, when the tractor move forward, the soil at the back side it will become very loose. Okay,
Soft.
so loose, and the seeds which are planting there will get more sunlight, and the air can go into the into the soil. Got it?
Ma'am.
So it will become airy.
Excuse me,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have
All
one
these
doubt.
points are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
One
Ma'am,
minute.
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, yes, Shreya, what is
Right.
your doubt?
ma'am,
Ma'am, by tractors we are doing that.
Say it loud, clearly.
Ma'am, by tractors we will do the soil to loose, right? So
Yes.
it is also called as plowing.
Yes, same thing. Okay, so what
Same
we are
thing.
doing,
Excuse me,
that
ma'am.
process is plowing. Okay,
Ma'am.
plowing means similar type. We are making due to that process, the soil is becoming loose. It become airy. Okay, so which is the next step? We can discuss it in the next class. Okay, so
Excuse me,
read the
ma'am.
textbook nicely,
Ma'am.
clearly. So shall I wind up today's session?
excuse
I'm
Ma'am,
attendance.
Okay, okay. Yes, I will take.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am. It was a wonderful section.
Thank you, ma'am.